Hello and welcome, Natalia Olowska-Czajka, instantmediations.com, here at the TAM Conference 2022 in the Woodlands Resort in Houston. And together with me are wonderful Marci. Marci, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Marci Anna Jordan, but I go by Marci Jordan, and I'm here at the Texas Association of Mediators Conference.
I understand you are a mediator, and tell us, please, what do you do professionally? What sort of mediation you run?
I am a senior housing and employment mediator with the Texas Workforce Commission Civil Rights Division.
That's fantastic. And tell us, you've been a fantastic presenter. I was happy to listen to your presentation. Tell us something about it.
Thank you. I mediate employment and housing discrimination cases for the state of Texas, and that includes any state agencies as well as all private companies. And for employment, that would be any state agencies, whether it's the Office of the Governor or any other state agencies, municipalities, or any private companies. And housing, that would be anybody who resides in the state of Texas that rents homes, purchase homes, have any issues with buying houses, anything like that to do with housing or employment. So that's what I do on a daily basis.
Listening to your presentation, I got absolutely attracted to it because you were touching on very important issues, touching human lives,
right.
Human dignity. Can you tell us something about it? What do you concentrate on? How do you help?
Well, when a person comes in and they say that they feel that their rights have been violated, and employment, and we're talking about the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which protects anybody's rights in the workplace as well as housing, they will file a complaint with us, and we have a work share agreement with EEOC. We will take their complaint, and the first step is to resolve the case, hopefully through mediation. And that is possibly, parties sit down and we try to work out a resolution. So this is an opportunity for them to work with us and the parties to see if we can come to a resolution. If not, then the case is investigated and then we will make a determination. With housing cases, they have the opportunity to file a complaint, and with housing, it's a little bit different than employment. The investigation does continue on while we do mediate. If we get a resolution through mediation, then the investigation does stop. If not, then the investigation continues on. We make a determination and we rule if it's a cause finding or no cause finding of discrimination.
Your presentation had a wonderful reception. And tell us, please, where you are based.
I am based in Austin, but because of pandemics, we do virtual mediation. So we reach from Amarillo to Brownsville to Houston to El Paso. So we're all over the state.
That's fantastic to know. And please tell us, is it your first TAM conference?
No, I've been attending the TAM conference since 2013. When I became a member, I was working on my master's degree in conflict resolution, and I got introduced by my advisor at Abilene Christian University, where I obtained my master's, and he introduced me to that. I joined, and ever since then, I've been coming since then, and I love it.
So tell us why.
It is an opportunity to socialize and network with my peers, meet wonderful people like yourself,
Thank you so much.
And also to just gain additional information about mediation, because even though I mediate employment and housing discrimination, you get an opportunity to find techniques about mediation in general, because mediation is not just one certain area, but it's techniques, or how do you deal with difficult people, or how do you handle this situation. So it's always fun to network and get to see the same people. So it's like coming back to a high school reunion. You get to see the same people over and over again. It is so much fun.
Or using the word that was actually created for that, a family. And it's been a pleasure, Marci. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your wonderful presentation, and hope to see you soon on our podcast, on the Instant Mediations podcast.
Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you.